This is a sachet filling and box packaging line for nutritional supplements exported to Italy. The production line consists of a multi-row sachet packaging machine and a cartoning machine. The sachet packing machine is equipped with BDJ's carbon dioxide laser coating machine and vacuum feeding system. The sachets machine speed is 100 bags per minute. The back end is a horizontal cartoning machine equipped with a motion control sorting system. The customer requires that the cartoning machine can pack 4 cartons of different sizes, so as to meet the packaging requirements of 5, 10, 15, 20 bags per box. At present, the machine has been delivered to customers. The operation is very stable. For more details, please contact me.